Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to talk a little bit about the sums and why I play them the way I do. So I am on this lotterypost.com website, and this is what I use to get an idea of what sums that I want to play on the hand that I want to play next. So as you can see here, it has every combination for that sum. And as you can see, for the combination of 0, it's just 1. Okay, combination of the sum of 3 is just 3 combinations, and so on. You come all the way down the list, and as I was saying in my other video, 13, 14, and 15 are my favorite. They have the most combinations, and here's all the combinations. And I like to go through here and pick out the combinations I find that are the most likely to hit. I mean, the game is still rigged against us pretty badly. The probabilities of our numbers hitting are still skewed against us. The lottery has the upper hand, that's for sure, but I want to pick my own numbers. You know, never use the quick pick. And I pick from here, and I'll show you why. So this is the sums with box combinations. Here's all the combinations you can get. Okay, this is them. Okay, here's each combination. So 13, 14, 15, like I said, are my favorite. And you'd have to, each combination, like if you're playing, let's say the exact or any, or the any rather, and this would be any combination. This is just, okay, let's say if I pick 14 and 059, like here's my favorite, or which was the last one that I played and I won on. This would be 059, 509. There's 3 different combinations per sum, and that's why there's more up here, but down here this is just how many combinations there is without any. Hope that makes sense. So, and as you can see right here, it says is the number of box combinations for each sum. So if you're playing box and you got it right and you didn't get it exact, if you didn't play combo, or it didn't play each combination on your own, then you'd probably just get the smaller prize. But if you play like how I play, the combination, and you play, if you're playing 059, you would get 059, 509, 905, 950, etc. So there's all of 059 right there. Okay, would be 50 cents times 6 to make it $3. If you play combo and you're playing down here, let's say you're playing the combo of 799, right? There's only one combination. I mean, there's kind of lose my train of thought here early in the morning. Anyways, so you scroll down here and you look, the odds below reflect the odds of that a particular sum will be drawn during any given pick 3 drawing. So the odds of 000 coming up is 1 in 1,000. The odds of the sum that equals 4 is 1 in 67. The odds of 14 coming up is 1 in 13. Okay, so this is why I like 13, 14, 15, and 16 too, because as you can see, look, 13 and 14, these have the best odds right here. Okay, 1 and 13. Okay, 15 and 16, yeah, they're in second place, and 11 and 12 are in second place. And as you get further out, the odds go further against you, and a lot of these have doubles and triples. Okay, these obviously are the only ones that have triples, right? Is 0, and 27. Okay, except 21, right? 21 would have 777. Okay, so that is the reason why I play the sums that I do. Okay, and yeah, some states have more draws than others, but this is why I play the sums that I do. If I lived in a state that only had one pick 3 game a day, I'd play it still the same way, because the odds of the sum of why I pick these numbers come up more. And if you ever want to just look real quickly and see what combos come up for the sum of whatever number you play, just come here. Okay, so hope this video helps anybody out understand the sums and the probabilities of them coming up, and you can get all the combinations for each sum right here. Okay, this is the best way to play in my opinion, and I've been playing like this for, oh my gosh, a long time. Getting old. I'm ancient. I'm up here. I've been playing a long time. Okay, I used to play a long time ago, before I found this information and started really like diving into how to win and the way I play now. It took a long time. I didn't just formulate this way of playing overnight. I used to play just random stuff like, oh, I like the number 666, even though that sounds demonic, right? Or 777 or 888, and it plays a little bit more. Pays a little bit more. My lotto pays a little bit more. They want you to play those games, thinking, yeah, when my numbers hit, I'm gonna get paid a little bit more, and maybe I'll play 10 of these. But look here, guys. Let's say you play, 888, right? Okay, that's 24. Okay, you have a 1 in 100 chance, and it's gonna pay you a little bit more. Or you play, 999, okay? 1 in 1,000. And it's the same for 27 as for 0, okay? The numbers don't lie. It's all right here. Okay? Look, 333, 333, 167, 167. It's all just math. It's all the same. So, Texas got rid of the sum it up game because people started catching on and just playing the sums of 13 and 14, I believe, and winning more. And I used to do that all the time. I just always play those sums, and I still play. We had a sum it up game where it was a separate game from the actual pick 3 game, and I just play sum it up. I'd just be winning all the time. They got rid of it. I mean, I didn't win every single time, but it felt like it. I was winning a lot more than I do now. I'd have these second place prizes, what it feels like when we had to sum it up. And they got rid of it. They got rid of all their, probabilities and how many times those numbers would come up and all that stuff, and just took it down. And now you have to go to different lotto websites, and this is, probably the best one to go to, really. So, hope this video helps, and hope you guys start playing some good numbers. Get those hot and warm numbers. Alright, they're right there on your state's lotto, and go for the ones that are numbers have been coming up a lot lately, and the ones that haven't been coming up that are cold. Let's say you like the sum of 15 because it's been coming up quite often, and you want to pick a good hot and cold, hot warm numbers combination. You don't want all 3 hot, and you don't want all 3 warm. You definitely don't want all 3 cold. Let's say the cold numbers are 3, 2, and 5, right? Or you just don't want that in your combination. Okay, so you don't want 2, 4, 9 if 2 is a cold. But but 5, 1, and 9, let's say that. Okay, that's for 15, and 5, 1, and 9 are all warm and in hot numbers. Pick 5, 1, 9. That's how I do it. And then once your numbers hit, and once or twice or whatever, just put that play slip in your glove box and don't play it for a while. Or let a month go by, then throw it back in the mix. Okay, so Alright, I think I got my rant out. Still early in the morning. I hadn't even had any coffee or anything, so I'm gonna go do that. And hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. And hit the like and subscribe if this helped you out. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.